Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Thanksgiving week, and if you're among the many getting ready to cook a turkey for the holiday, the USDA is offering help online, by phone, by email, even through social media. The concern is food safety, and USDA expert Meredith Carruthers says there are common mistakes that can lead to illness. She advises don't thaw a turkey on a counter or at room temperature.
You really want to be thawing your turkey in the refrigerator or, using the cold water method, something that's going to keep it at a safe temperature throughout that time frame. Another thing that people don't do correctly is take the temperature of the turkey, the internal temperature, using a food thermometer.
And she advises get the leftovers into the fridge within 2 hours. For more info, head to fsis.usda.gov and have a great holiday.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.